Another workday, another paycheck waiting somewhere in the system. Then suddenly, there it is. Payday has finally arrived. The money hits the account and everything instantly feels better. He checks his phone just to make sure it's real. In his mind, he's already richer than he was 5 seconds ago. The dream list starts forming immediately. Maybe it's finally time for that vacation he's been thinking about, or those expensive sneakers sitting in his online cart. He starts making plans for every dollar before it even settles. For a brief moment, life feels completely under control. Then, reality enters the chat. Rent is due. He opens the bill and immediately regrets looking. That number somehow feels larger every single month. Just like that, a huge chunk of the paycheck disappears. Well, there goes a big part of the celebration. But rent isn't finished taking friends with it. Electricity, water, internet, the bills line up one after another. Suddenly, he is managing expenses instead of spending money. The calculator becomes the most important tool in the room, and another piece of the paycheck vanishes. Then he remembers something important: food. The grocery list starts looking longer than expected. At the store, every price tag seems higher than last month. The receipt confirms his worst suspicions. One quick balance check later, and the excitement starts fading. The account is still positive, just not nearly as positive. Then a subscription reminder appears out of nowhere. Actually, several subscription reminders appear. It's finally time to cancel the services he forgot existed. A few cuts later, the budget starts breathing again. Instead of guessing, he decides to make an actual plan. He organizes every expense into its proper category. And for the first time, some money goes directly into savings. It may not be much, but it's progress. The original spending plans suddenly seem less important. After everything is paid, some money is still left over. That's enough reason to enjoy a simple cup of coffee, because staying on budget feels surprisingly good. And now there's only one thing left to do: wait for the next paycheck and hopefully keep a little more of it this time.